occasion, we are here at Online Print Summit, and we are talking with Matthieu from Smart Factory. And this is an important conversation because we know how important having the right workflow ecosystem is. So, Matthieu, Smart Factory, I mean, you've been doing this for a while. There is an interesting tagline. You say, one software ecosystem, any brand, any printer. What does that actually mean in practice?
Well, it's in the continuity of what we started last year at Printing United in the USA, and we will also continue at FESPA Barcelona this year, meaning we have actually DURST hardware, a booth for the printer, and we will have as well a booth dedicated for software. So we take the software initiative very seriously, and the goal is actually to really underline that we can have solutions for customers which are also running with other printers. So any digital printer, any brand. That's a bit the motto of Smart Factory.
So we know that one of the biggest problems to solve in online printing is bad files coming into the workflow, creating, maybe putting too much ink down, maybe just being badly formatted. And if I understand the Smart Factory environment, you're trying to solve for those problems to make print more efficient. Do I have that right?
That's correct. That's correct. We have one of the solutions which is actually dedicated to pre-press automation. We were already using that solution with our own equipment, and we are now naming it Prepare, and we are actually putting it on the market with, let's say, different type of printing. So it can be used by any printing company. And we have as well some of our own technology in it, and we have as well Calas, which is a company we acquired last year and which we were already collaborating way before.
So from where you were at Printing United, where you were rolling it out and you were telling the story to printers, to where we are here at Online Print Summit, what do people ask you? What kinds of problems do they want you to solve?
Actually, you started well, like file correction. How do I get better file? How can I automate my pre-press until the production? So the goal is really to receive a file, any type of file, to have a lot of automator to correct the file, make it better, and send it directly to the rep to be printed. So all this, let's say, once the file comes into the printing company until the printing action, that's, let's say, the stuff we are aiming to make better.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for explaining Smart Factory to us.
Thank you for being here. Enjoy.